Hello, everyone. Good morning, guys. We're live. How are you all doing? Please drop your name and where you're watching from. Your name and where you're joining from. I think we are 20 minutes into our time, but let's see how we can push everything along. Okay. Good morning, CODSG. Good morning. Good morning, Gogo Vicent. How are we doing? It has been a very hectic week for me. I mean, the past 2 weeks, and it's so good to be back. It's so good to be back here. Thank you, guys. Vicent from Enugu, you're welcome. Muhammad, good morning. Good morning, Gabriel from Delta State. Good morning, Godwin from Abia State. There is Kalumiri from Enugu. Uchechuku, you're welcome. Victor, Miracle Ezekiel, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Then there is Abiodun from Kwara State. All right, let's just go straight into. If this is your first time here, of course, you're always welcome. It is this is expert option, live trading, and here we do we do okay. This is the interface, and of course, I have made several videos explaining um this thing. Why is the screen not showing? Hold on, guys. I think I might have to share it the right way. Are you going to live trade now? Yes, that's why we are here, isn't it? We are doing analysis and we are going to trade now. Like now. How's the sound of that? Okay, let's go to trading view. I was trying to look at some things. If you have been here before, you should be familiar with how I do my analysis. Usually I look at the movements on trading view. This is where we do analysis. This is where we monitor the direction or the price movements. Then we now begin to find entry. So let's quickly do that. I'll start from 15 minutes. Okay. By the way, just to show us what has happened on a higher time frame, let's look at one day. You can see that previously, this was on Friday, there was a very bullish green candlestick, okay, with huge volume. And today, which is Monday, the market is having a retracement on 1 day candlestick time frame. So let's quickly mark liquid areas. That is what we trade here. So on the 15 minutes, this is a key zone. Okay. We don't do structures here. We don't trade structures. We use structures to understand what is happening or what is going to happen next, but we don't trade the structure. What I mean by that is, if you see some kind of structure, let me give an example. Something like this. Say there is this, there is this. We don't trade structures, okay, in such a way that you begin to look for an entry around this area because the market has given a lower high, and then here is going to act as an inducement for an entry. We don't trade this kind of structure. What I do is strictly liquidity grab, and we mark the liquid areas on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, and then we begin to look for entries the moment it starts taking them out. It is as basic as that, just very simple. Then we add some indicators to give a momentum confirmation. That should keep you. Do we understand? Please, let's like this stream. Let's like it. I see that very few persons already clicked the like button. Please, let's like. It goes a long way, yeah. So this is 5 minutes. Let me quickly go to 1 minute. Yep, yep. 1 minute still valid. This and this. But on the general notes, where do you think the price would be heading? Where do you think? I told you we use structure to identify a direction, but we don't trade the structure. Okay. On 4 hours, you can see that there is a huge volume, undisputed. However, if I want to use my entry model or confirmation, a retracement is expected. It should. I am explaining this because I don't want you to start asking me why am I doing this or why is this happening. Okay. It is tradition for the price to have a retracement after this kind of buy, because some persons will definitely sell. You understand? So yeah, in terms of structure, we are bullish, but there is need for retracement. So if you look right here, the market was gradually going up, and this would be liquidity grab before it pushed back up. So let's have a retracement and would go up. So what we're going to be doing this morning would most likely be of sell, might favor the sell side more. You understand? So let's see. What's the time? This is 10:27 West African time. And this is the target, remember, because I marked here on the 15 minutes. This is the target. And if the price or if the market is going to come down here, then we might get an entry around those points. Let me go to expert option interface and check my indicators. These indicators is what I use for entry confirmation. Okay, is this euro? Okay, euro dollar. Please set your due duration to 3 minutes. That is what we do here. 3 minutes. And also set your investment amounts. I'll go with $50 per trade here. Okay. So the confirmation I'm looking for right here is my MACD and RSI confirmation. Okay, this is red, red, this is red. Let me check 5 minutes real quick. Okay, then 30 seconds. We are within an entry zone. You know, whenever the market gives a sign, it gives an entry. I've always said that. Although I have seen a sign, but I am yet to see an entry. This is the sign. An entry should be the market coming back up. An entry should be the market coming back up here. If that happens, we'll quickly have a sell. Quick sell that would retrace to take this out. Are we ready? Be on standby because I'm going to drop a trade real quick. Standby. Okay. So 30 minutes is about to close. 30 minutes candle. Let's see. Why is this bent? Hold on. Hold on. I'm still with you. Okay. So this candlestick just minutes, 30 minutes also should This is bearish, right? If you look from here, it is bearish. So it is definitely going to take out this points. I look forward to it. However, it's not an entry. An entry should come up. The price should push back up and we would get a very sweet entry. So don't rush it. Let's wait patiently. It would be nice to have a 5/5 today. What do you think? Isn't it going to be nice to have a 5/5 today? So I need this price to still come back up. Probably. Um, why does it feel like the market is not even moving today? Is that it? No, it's not. Okay, it has filled this. See whether it has filled this one to be a target, but I didn't catch that right. I didn't catch that right. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that rightly. The entry. Missed that entry. Missed it. Missed it. Okay, let's just wait for it to take out these points and we'll find a better plan. Let's wait for it to take out this point. That plan would come in. Yeah. Have you set your entry model? Oh my god, this is really bearish. But I am for this trade. Can you see it? Can you see that it is coming down? It's okay. So if it takes this, we're looking for a buy around the side in 3 minutes. I wanted to get my sell up here, but this guy didn't give me. Olatunde Israel. Don't worry. It is definitely going to be worth it. We do realistic trades here. Very realistic. Don't. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. One. See, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay. No. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go into a buy. 3 minutes buy. 3 minutes. I just got a confirmation for a buy. 3 minutes. If you're in, say I am in. If you're in, say I am in. 3 minutes buy. I saw this on the 1 minute time that we might still go up first before coming down. If you're in, say I'm in. This is our first trade for the week. In fact, in 3 weeks, this is our first trade. Because we didn't do live trade throughout last week and the one before. But I just saw a push, something very significant. And yes, the market is respecting it. All I need is it comes up within this area. Why does this 1 minute chart look so scattered this morning? Let me see. What broker is this? What broker is this? Let's use CM. Is it the same thing? What is this? I think this looks better. This chart looks better, right? So this is it, because it is going to be an induced liquid area. I am in. I am in. All right, guys. First trade for the week. Let's bring it home. Are you ready? I would still need to roll out everything here like I did before. Here, valid. This is valid. This is taking too much time. It's not supposed to take this long to go upwards. It is not. It is not supposed to take this long to go upwards. There's a gap here. Who can see this gap? I hope it goes up to feel it. This gap. There's a gap here. Let's see. Let's see. Few seconds to go. And there's a gap here. My eyes is on this gap. My eyes is on this gap. My eyes is on that gap. Oh my God. What? What just happened? Oh, really? Did I lose or win this trade? Did you win or lose this trade? No, this is not to mean another buy you, because the duration is, this is in how many seconds? The duration is very small. I just expected the price to shift back up here, which is still in plan. One. All right. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Congratulations. 1-8. 1-8. Nice. Nice. At least you guys caught the bag, right? Yeah, this remains a key area. So you see how the market is reacting towards that area. There's one gap here. Okay, let's quickly go to the next one. It's fine. Next one. Um, don't go into a buy yet. Just hold on. Hold on. Remember, this is a liquid area. It was because of this volume that made me target this region. But it doesn't seem like, because it is supposed to, it ought to have happened now. Coming to this point, it's something that should have happened now. I don't know why it is taking that much time. And we don't have time here. So let's see. Let's see what is happening on 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes looks like this remains a target. Like, I'm not convinced. That remains a target. Just hold on. 15 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Time to make tough decisions. 1/5. Nice one. Money in the bag. Hold on. I think I'm the only one that lost this trade, though. All of you won it. So you see that I can lose trades and you win it, Abby. So if I win and you lose, don't cry. Okay, okay. This right here is a grab. This right here is a grab. Okay. Perfect entry would have been here. So this 5 minute candlestick just opened. And what I would want is, if it comes down first, I would get a buy. If it comes down first, I'll get a buy. But if it doesn't and goes here, I would get a sell. If it crosses above this, I will be looking for a sell. Oh, can you see that? You see? These guys, they know what they are doing. So do we. we know what we are doing too, right? Okay. Let me get my confirmation with my indicators, all mighty indicators. Okay, okay. Okay. Has this been taken out? I'm seeing more volume coming up. Let's wait for it here. Let's wait for it here. Maybe around this point. And there's a reason why I am waiting for it there. Oh. There's a reason why I would want to wait for it here. Something like that. Oh, are we coming back down? You see that it is not just okay for the market to do what you say. It still needs to give you an entry. See, it has gotten to this point now, but I still want to have a good entry. That's what it means to be a trader who works with a plan. Mm. Okay, 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 okay. Doesn't look so well. Doesn't look so well. Right here. This was what I wanted us to trade earlier. Remember when I called for that buy? So this was what I saw. When I called for the buy, this was what I saw. Right now, looks like what, okay. Fine. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go into a sell. 3-minute sell. Okay. 3-minute sell. If you're in, say I'm in. Let's go into a sell. I just saw it. If you're in, say I'm in. I am from Sri Lanka. Where is that? What continent is Sri Lanka? I don't think I have ever heard of that. If you're in, say I'm in. Of course, the market is dumping. Yes. Let's keep it going. If you're in, say I'm in. If you're in, say I'm in. What do you think? Are we winning this trade? This is massively dumping. Massively dumping. Just as expected. Come on now. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Can you see it? Let's just remain like this. Keep going down for it. Somebody says strategy is working. Strategy is working. I speculated exactly that it would come up here and come back down. And that's what we're having. Trading sweet, abi no sweet. Now gambling, abi no be gambling. It takes those who really understand how it works to know the difference between gambling and real strategy that works. Otherwise, you're just going to be jumping around from what one person says to another. Why is somebody saying, I lost? What did you lose? The trade is still on now, right? Whoa, we're back up to entry. How did that happen? Wait, oh, am I seeing different thing here? Oh my God, I see. Man, no lose this trade, oh. Man, no lose this trade, oh. What? What? I have less than 5 seconds to go. What? Won it. Won it. Yes, yes, yes. Money in the bag. Won it. Strategy is working. Who else won this trade? Won. Nice. Won it. Great. I love it. One. Nice, 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 nice. So this is 2/2 for some of you, right? 2/2 for some of you. Somebody lost. Richard said lost. King Matt. Okay. You know the first trade, me, I lost that one. And almost all of you won it. So let me go and look at what just happened. That volume was crazy. Okay. Okay. Looks like we're going into another sell. Wait for it, guys. Wait for the call. Wait for the call. Wait for the call. Let me look at it with my spiritual eyes. Let me look at it with my spiritual eyes. I hope you know I have spiritual eyes. This great, great. Let's wait for 1 minute. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes for this candle to close. This particular candle. It's 5 minutes. It's going to close in 2 minutes. Let's wait for it. So if it closes below this line, we'll go into a sell. And if it doesn't, we'll be looking for a buy. We'll change our plans. Okay. Nice. I think I've seen a sell call. I've seen a sell call. Let me confirm from my indicators. How many of you agree with me that the market has been weak based on what has been happening? It's been weak because the volume when it is dumping is more than what we see when it is going up. Yes, that tells about the momentum when it's, so that is a typical example of no, I'm not convinced. So let's wait for 5 minutes to close. Yes. So this 5 minutes, it closes and the next one goes up. I am so confident about the next trade if it happens. If this 5-minute candlestick closes here, the next one opens and pushes up first. We'll drive it down like a Motorola. So stay tuned and see how it plays out. Please like the stream, just the thumbs up button there. Just tap on it so that we can reach more audience. Oh, this is going to close in less than 1 minute. Okay, so let's see. Going to close in less than 1 minute. Are you ready? So I don't know if some of you have seen videos of traders or creators that will just be counting down 1, 2, 3 to opening session time or either news time, and they'll enter a trade and be counting down, come up and go up when it is initiated. You now enter a buy. What if it does not go up? Very high risk. It's better to just wait for it. There is always a sign and an entry. So right here, we just got a sign. It closed below this region. So the entry now would be when it goes up. When it goes up, yes, let it go up. One more up. Oh, let's go, guys. Let me see what. Let's go. 3 minutes. Sell it. 3 minutes. Sell it. If you're in, say I am in. Go into a sell and sell it. If you're in, say I am in. If you're in, say boss, I am in with all my heart. Nice. You can see that the market is doing. That's my problem with this our duration. Right here, it is playing out fine. Oh. See that it is below our sell. In 3 minutes now, it will start coming. Yeah. We finally took out this liquid area, right? Took out this liquid area, which has been a target since it has been a target. This area has been a target since. Can you imagine? And finally, I am glad to announce that I didn't miss this profit. I hope you don't too. We're winning this one, guys. Another money coming into the bag. This is our third trade. If you want the second one, you want the third one, you want the first and second one, this is your third win. If you missed the second one, I strongly believe this would be your martingale recovery. That's if you remember to enter with martingale. Okay, don't go back up. I don't know what you're doing like that. Okay, it still looks like we are in favor. Let me see 15 minutes. Whoa, see the dump. Massive dump. Massive dump. It is as simple as that. The market showed weakness and we are milking it. So it has taken this liquid area out, as we all can see. The next one will be, let me check my trade. Egbami. All right. Let the countdown begin. Less than 30 seconds. We'll be winning this trade. Can you see it? Less than 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds. We're winning this. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, and what? And boom. Perfect entry. Sweet trade. Money in the bag. If you won, did you win this trade? We're not going up, bro. Nasty. We're not going up. It's a win. We won it. We won it. Go where? I missed the first two. Passive income. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Kenneth Uche, 1. Victor, 1. Yes, it's nice. It's nice. All right. Let's look at it again. Since it has taken out this liquid area, what next? A very, very important question. It has taken out this liquid area. What next? Where are we heading? Where are we heading? So let's look at, remember, I used this Fibonacci tool to map out this trend so that we know where we are heading. At least half of it, half here. This retracement should bring us halfway. You get to the point? It should bring us here. So what I would expect is, after taking this liquid area out, we could still do some push up, but let's be sure. However, it is better to remain on the selling side. Wait, let's see. Okay, next target, if we are going up, might be here. Because can you see a dodgy candlestick here? If the price is going up, this would be a target. So what I would do is, let's find an entry. This is a sign. Is this an entry? I would confirm that. Hold on. If this is an entry that it is giving us to buy, I will find out. You cannot run away from me. So let's go to expert option interface and check 30 seconds. Check 30 seconds. Okay. Undervalued RSI. And all right, let's go. Buy, guys. Going to a buy. If you're in, say, boss, I am in with my whole heart. If you're in, say I'm in. Let's go into a buy. I just saw something now. In 3 minutes, we should have a push up. Yeah, yeah. In 3 minutes, we should have a push up. Is that too much to ask for a bearish market? So if this is a sign, this is, yeah, perfect. Just do your head like you want to nod somebody and go back up for me. We'll take profits and everybody is good, right? I don't need so much. Mhm. I still like how it looks. So confident that it will go up. Let's watch and see. Bam, 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 bam. This the high of this 5 minute candle is unmitigated, which means before it closes, it should push back up. This is like a test of strategy. Whenever you're live trading like this, you know, anything I say is a test of strategy. Believe it is going up and it doesn't. I know some of you will be like, oh, strategy is not working. But it's a lie. Strategy is always working. You see that it is pushing back up, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. This is exactly what I expected. Exactly expected. Beautiful. Why is this still here? I thought our entry was around this place. So. Beautiful. We're so up. Is it just me or the chart looks different? See my 5 minutes here looking so. Oh, I think I need to plug this guy. Um, I should have won this trade, right? Money in the bag, everybody. Money in the what? We are winning this one. Oh. This is our fourth trade. To win. How do I plug this thing now? Let me check my battery. 10%. Oh, what was that? What was that? What was that? All right, guys. If you won, let us know. Money in the bag. Money in the bag. Guys, like this stream. Like this stream now. May I just tap on the like. You can also share with your friends. So, I am not used to telling you guys to do some of this. So if you're taking trades, at least you can help us by sharing, liking the streams, and God will bless you. You get the point. Should we do one more trade? Should we do one more? Okay. Should we do one more? Should we do one more? All of you are saying yes, yes, yes. Okay. Is it charging? It's not charging. Oh, okay.